पाव भाजी के वेरिएशन में खड़ा पाव भाजी सुना है, चीज पाव भाजी भी सुना है, बट हरियाली पाव भाजी ये क्या होता है? लेट्स चेक दिस आउट। In this Pav Bhaji special series, we are checking out some of the best and unique Pav Bhajis in Mumbai. And today, I am at Mumbai's Borivali West area to taste Mumbai's only Green Pav Bhaji. Maa Anjani Pav Bhaji Center is known to offer one of the best Pav Bhajis in Mumbai. So chalo, let's go in. This Hariyali Pav Bhaji is ekdam hatke. The ingredients that go into its making is basically a lot of green veggies.
पाव भाजी में सब ग्रीन सब्जी वगैरह यूज़ होती है, पालक होता है, ग्रीन टोमेटो वगैरह यूज़ होता है और कैबेज वगैरह सब यूज़ करके मीन्स उसमें एक ऑयली तड़का करके करते हैं जो गुजराती लोग ज़्यादा करके पसंद करते हैं.
Seeing this blend of green mashed vegetables and masaledar pav, I was really curious about its taste. And time आ गया था for me to finally taste this. This comes with a very dense green bhaji, which is a mix of all the green vegetables. Now, this comes with the masala pav and a mint chutney, lime and salad. Wow, truly heavenly, perfectly masaledar and buttery with a beautiful cake of spinach flavor. Really good. And when your mom said, eat your greens, perhaps she meant this. While we all are used to see our pav bhaji fiery red, trust me, this delicious variation will surely make you go green. If you are someone who mostly looks on one of the healthier options in the menu, I'm sure you would come over here and order this.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.